My wife got me a present. She says she thought of me when she saw this. But it's just for her garden. And we're going to be getting tomatoes. Tomatoes. There's some nice big ones here. Ready for tomorrow. This is the registration tent, 110 style. This is the to see how much you flex. I tried that, almost impossible. This is sponsored by Traxxas. This curve is sponsored by Boom Racing. This is by Asia Tees, the pipes. And we have the scrapyard. That's sponsored by RC 4-wheel drive. Well, all ready for tomorrow. See you guys in the morning, and there's a lot more in the woods. Something's grabbing it somewhere. Oh, okay, it's your trailer hitch. Yeah, your trailer hitch is grabbing the dirt.
I know what is the problem.
You gotta bring it up.
Yes. Yeah.
That will stop a truck, that's for sure.
Oh yeah. It's grabbing all the...
Yeah. All the dirt. People are sliding. Matzilla made it off. There you go.
Yeah, I saw
Yes.
that before.
Whoa, don't back up.
Ah!
Don't back up.
You got to back up just a little bit. Okay, right there.
Okay.
There we go. 5 trucks.
Now push them off.
You're trying it for 6. Keep going a little bit. Keep going. Put your wheels right over the edge. Go. Oh, I'm going to fall off. Whoa. Oh.
That's why we brought Joey with us.
Come, that thing has so much dirt on it.
Because I like to be dirty and greasy.
You dirty thing, you.
Yeah.
So this is the aftermath. This truck was brand new, never ran before, and he did not spare it. He really went through the trails and went through everything. So
I like the redhead passenger.
the redhead passenger. Oh yeah.
The girls?
Yeah.
I have a very sexy
So-
girls here.
So the trails went good.
Very good.
Cool.
Very nice, beautiful drive. I'm happy.
So now the next one is this one.
The next
Another one with small tires. Blazer. This one's got a winch. Maybe he can pull somebody out. Cool.
Thank you, Francois.
Entonces si va un poco infligé.
Yeah, no, we.
Le mauve, no?
No. slips.
Landslide.
Yeah, the guy that did this there needs to be fired.
Who is he? I have a feeling. I know. Oh, that can do it. Yeah.
There's another drop off here.
Yeah, this one wasn't so bad.
Oh. Tiny tires slip. Mozilla's has a problem crawling. No problem getting up the hills, but some challenging.
Tight turns. She's finicky. There we go.
Should be pretty interesting. I can hear it flex already. So the other wheel is not even on the ground yet. Ah, this is tougher than I thought it's going to be. Again, some odd reason. I got to make sure I don't stop. Ah. So my body is touching right here. So I am a little too high.
C'est vrai qu'il n'y a pas de dents.
Ouais, ça prend une horn. Oh, almost hit the.
Non.
Oh no!
Qu'est-ce que tu fais dessus?
I'll try to push you.
Tu ma main ou. Ah, c'est juste pour la vidéo.
Avance. There you go. This is the wild place of the trail. It is not groomed. It's raining.
Oh oui, ça fait là, c'est quoi? Oh,
Nice flip.
encore, encore.
Oh, this time you know.
Yeah, third time's not a charm.
Oui, ça c'est tough.
No, it's easy. Come on, Seb, show him how it's done.
Yeah, so now it's done. The road is all yours.
Just like that, see?
Oh, there we go. It's because I needed to see the line.
That's it.
Thanks for showing it to me, buddy.
See what the Bronco can do. Seb went up, no problem. There you go. You did it easier than the Ultra 4. Ouais, je l'ai creusé un peu hier. And he's digging it up too. Come on, Ultra 4.
I'm not heavy enough.
Ah.
No, not heavy enough in the front. I'm gonna put some weights down on it.
That's a flag hit.
Oh well, it happened.
See? See? Put your Ultra 4 away. The SEX 1 did it, no problem. What chassis or frame is that one?
It's a C2X.
A 2X?
We're gonna bounce it again. Nope.
Oh, that was a flag hit.
Drive right through it.
The Mozilla is on his top again?
Yeah.
I'd push you, but I could. Oh, there you go.
Just to get the front to grab there.
Oh, look at that. Look at this easy, eh?
Oh, my rig has been very well tuned. There you go.
Regarde, moi aussi je fais ça. Oh, ça veut dire.
Yeah, this one's gonna be hard. Oh, you did it.
Ah ben laisse faire. Je pensais que ça allait dire. Oh, ça.
Oh, I can't believe I actually made that on the first turn.
Ça, laisse tomber. Non. C'est ça.
Non.
D'abord, j'ai pas touché de fan, mais j'ai...
Donne-lui une petite push, Sébastien. Doucement, encore. It's getting slippery. The wet is not helping it. Je recule une petite affaire. Wow!
Roll cages for a reason. Go ahead.
Oh. Oh.
That's a long wheelbase.
En plus.
His tires are. The only thing stopping Seb is his steering. If he had better steering, because that's the original SCX-10, it doesn't have good steering. Va le plus haut possible, Sébastien, puis tiens-toi le plus côté-là.
Moi le plus possible ici. C'est ça, monte, c'est ça, monte. Là, tu tombes. Je sais pas si ça va être capable.
OK. Le recule un peu, une petite affaire. Restez reculé. Oh, OK, avance.
Tu l'as.
Oh. Continue à avancer un peu.
T'es loin un petit peu, là, je pense que ça va être correct.
OK, le recule. Tourne de l'autre côté puis recule, c'est ça. Oh, there you go.
Like a champ.
Ah, Seigneur.
C'est correct. T'es pas découragé, t'es pas frustré.
Maybe I should have said bring your bug spray and a raincoat. Look at that, we're getting where there's a traffic jam. A lot of tiny trucks. There, all three of us are going to be on this little bridge. You can take a picture.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I'm just taking a video of my dad going on it right
Okay, you do that. And I'll take a video of you doing a video and I'll put you on YouTube.
now. Putting me on YouTube?
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel.
I'm waiting for the next time he does his video game challenge. Or,
Yeah, I got it all set up. All the questions are done.
cool. I had fun last time. I was just a second or two slow.
Oh, yeah?
Every day. I was like, oh, I know what that is. And we needed Brian on there.
We got a lazy boy somewhere in there.
Ottawa mini
I got
truckers.
a charger, I got some bumpers. It's done.
You killed it? You killed the truck? My God.
It's my specialty.
Your specialty, killing trucks. Killing tiny trucks.
The only problem.
Somebody moved the big truck there.
Oh, man, he's digging it up.
Yeah, I dug it up a bit too.
Hey, now. Did you see?
Somebody rearranging the force.
Okay, well, if you think they're working good, just let you rock on with it, okay?
Just when the camera gets there.
Hands are up.
Did he get shy because of the camera?
Oh, I guess so. My little Suzuki went there, no problem.
Okay.
Pretty hard now. Somebody had to go around, pull you up. That's what we had to do last year.
Well, I got my winch.
If I can stay a little bit away from her, I'm going to do my best.
When we had our
Right,
beach
that's
dock, somebody would go around the front.
It's like I have...
Jose, I need a pull.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that, just like no problem.
And the little TRX.
How'd you manage that?
It's all in the driving.
Oh,
That's my... Yeah, the battery was dying.
good thing you put fresh batteries in there. Come on, you can do it. Maybe you can't. Got 3S. Let's see that thing make it up. Oh yeah? Nice.
This thing should make it up, no problem.
Yeah.
That's a cheater truck.
He made it through with his mulligan. No, Wraith does do it, but one tire has to be on the wire and
On the wood.
well, not on the wood, but one is going to drag kind of.
So we're gonna do kind of the.
They should have put it on low. I don't got a lot of room with the TF2. With the... There we go. One wheel on the wire and the other wheel is going to drag. Should work. I've seen people do it. There you go. Keep going.
That's fuck all.
Keep
Just
going.
a little thunderstorm.
Oh, it came off on this side.
Nothing too alarming.
Try to bring it back up. That's it. Whoa.
It got really gray over there and then didn't rain.
Storms like in Rockland. Get rain here, you go
Well, you tried.
Well, you could see the black earlier. It was just
Maybe I should put another wire,
staying
eh?
away.